children, welcome you all to this wonderful session. Today we are going to see playing with numbers. This is our third chapter. The previous two chapters, knowing our numbers and the whole numbers. I hope everyone are thorough with those two chapters. Okay, in playing with numbers, are we going to play really with the numbers? Are we doing that in our day-to-day life? Yes. How? By riddles, puzzles, number games, and so on. Okay, in this session we are going to see two terms, that is factors and multiples. These two terms you learned in your lower classes already, but let us go through with these two terms. Before that, let us check our homework sums. Exercise 2.2. Fourth question, B answer is 87,108. Question D, 1,68,840. Next, exercise 2.3. Fourth question, B answer is 54,42,437. Question D, 5,34,375. Question E, 17,640. I hope everyone got correct answer. Very good. Let us move on to the chapter. The first one, factors. What is meant by factors? Factor of a number is an exact divisor of the number. That is, when you divide a number, it must give the remainder as 0. Yes. Let us see an example. Let us find the factors of 12. How to find this? You learn the tables, right? In the tables, wherever you are getting the product 12, that particular number is called the divisor. So, how to check that? Okay, how will you get 12 in your tables? We'll move from first table, that is number 1 table. 1 12s are 12. Then 2 6 are 12. Do we get in 3 table? Yes. 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12, but no need to write that. 4 3s are 12. Do we get 12 in 5 table? No. 6 table? Yes. 6 2s are 12. Then 7 table? No. 8, no. 9, 10, 11, we won't get the answer. But in 12 table, 12 ones are 12. Kids, this is the easy way to find your factors. Once you start writing like this, you will come to know the between numbers. For example, here see, after 4, 6 is there. So, you won't get the answer in 5 table. And 6 you are having, next is 12. So, from 7 to 11, you won't get the number. This is the easy way to find your factors. Now, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, how many numbers, that is how many exact divisor we are getting for 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, there are 6 exact divisors are there for 12. About factors. Number of factors of a given number are finite. What is meant by finite? You can count the divisors, that is factors of a given number. See, here factors of 12, we count it as 6 numbers are there, which is the exact divisor of 12. That is called finite. Number of factors of 12 is 6 now. Next, 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. What does it mean? Example, 1 2s are, see, 1 10s are, 1 5s are, 1 23s are. All the number exactly will have 1 is a factor and add on to other factors also. Every number is a factor of itself. So when we check for 2, 2 is a factor of 2. Then when we check for 10, you will get the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So 1 also will come as a factor and 10 also will come as a factor. Next, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Every factor of a number is less than to the number or equal to the number. So number of factors what we are finding, no? That's what mentioned here. For 12 we found that there are 6 numbers are the exact divisor of 12. The number is 12 but we are getting only 6 numbers as an exact divisor and are equal to the number. For this, let us see the factors of 2. Factors of 2 you will get only 1 and 2. The number is 2 and the number of factors are 2. That's what given here. Next, multiples. A multiple of many natural number is a product of the number and any non-whole number. Non-whole number means it is a natural number. Okay, product of the number and with some other number, whatever it is. So, what is that? What we learned in the tables. When we multiply two numbers, we are getting the product, no? That is called multiples. Example, multiples of 3. It is nothing but in 3 table what are the answers? That's what given here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. About multiples. A number is a multiple of each of its factors. Okay, what is it? Let us take an example of factors of 4. Factors of 4 you will get it as 1, 2 and 4. In this multiple of 1, let us see from factors. Multiple of 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There also you are getting 4. And multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So again 4 is a multiple of 2. Multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. That's what given here. A number is a multiple of each of its factors. Next, every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. For multiple of 3 is what? 3. So you will get the same number also as a multiple. Then every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. See the answers of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. All these numbers are equal to 3 and more than 3 only. Next, number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Here the multiples of 3 is it's keep on going. You cannot count how many multiples are there. Whereas the factor of a given number is very finite. That is you can count the number. Okay. Next, let us move on to the exercise. Exercise 3.1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Here 24. The question is 24. So we must find in which tables 24 will come. We'll check with 1. Do we get in one table? Yes. 2? Of course. 3? Yes. 4? Yes. 4 6 are 24. Let us see how it is. 1 24s are, 2 12s are, 3 8s are, 4 6 are. See, in 7 table we won't be getting, 9, 10, 11 we won't be getting, and from 13 to 23 you won't get the answer as 24. Okay, so in this way you can find the factors very easily. And when you write also, you can write in ascending order. That is, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and come here 6, 8, 12 and 24. Next, question B. Very easy number. What are the numbers you will get as a factors of 15? 1. Do we get in 2 table? No, because 15 is an odd number which will never come in even number table. Okay. So 1 15s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Is it easy to find it, children? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. 21. Factors of 21 are 1 21s are 21. Then in 2 table or the remaining any other table you won't be getting. Only in 3 table. 3 7s are 21. So factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Let us move on to the next one. In question 1, the remaining sums are homework. Okay. Write first 5 multiples of 5. You know what are the multiples of 5. They are asking first 5 multiples only. So what is that? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only these 5 numbers are enough. And your multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes. First 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay. Next, 4th question. So second question you have subdivision B and C, that is your homework. And 3rd question is going to be a match. I hope everyone can do that. Okay. So try to find out the answer. Next, we'll move on to the 4th question. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Up to 100 means what? Are we going to find the multiples of 9? 100 multiples? No. Multiples of 9 up to 100. So in your multiple, when you are writing the answer, till 100 or before 100, what is your answer? Up to that you have to stop. So what is that? Multiples of 9 up to 100 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. And the next one is, yes, 108. That is beyond 100. So we are not supposed to write that. So we must stop till 99. Okay, children. I hope everyone understood this. So what is going to be your homework? Exercise 3.1. Question 1. D, E, F, G, H, I. And second question, B and C. Then third one, match the following. I hope everyone will complete this. Let us see in next session. Thank you, children.